Ano, Zane?
Filming the highway.
Gusto mo pa dito mag-stay?
I will wait for Kuya Jess and you, so I have to film the highway. And then I will upload it on YouTube.
I-zoom mo para kita mo yung highway.
Kita na yung highway already.
Para dito nga ano, farm na ano, may rice field.
But do you like it when I'm filming the highway?
Yes. May rice field. Tingnan mo yung mga rooster ni Tita Isa, oh. Para ng fried chicken yung liig. Wala ng feathers.